Hello! Right, it's Friday afternoon and we're about to start our epic trip to the Outer Hebrides.
We are, but we've got a hell of a lot of driving to do before then.
We have, so we best get on with it. We'll pick you up in about 4 hours from now. I hope.
First overnight stop.
Yeah, for our first stop. Catch you in a bit. Any footage you see until then is going to be dash cam.
Simon, we're heading for a 3-week trip to the Outer Hebrides in our campervan, Athena. Can we be on the list? Say Heather and Rick. Got a shout out for my daughter Saffron, please, on this Friday's Muppet Show. She's only 10, she loves the tunes every Friday. Thank you, Sharon. This is for you.
Hello. As you might have seen then through any dash cam footage that I put up, we've had a bit of a mare journey. It's taken us 5 hours, which is virtually an hour longer than we thought. We did stop for 10 minutes to go to the loo. 184 miles. It's just about still light. Anyway, we will show you this little camper air in the morning. To be honest, I'm knackered. I'm going to get the bed made up and goodbye. Poppy's shaking. See you in the morning, everybody.
Good night.
Morning. Right, very early morning. Just a quick look around Toll Bar Paddock, motorhome stopover. It's a camper air where we stopped on our first night on the way up to Scotland. 10 quid a night, bookable online. We haven't seen the owner, just posted the money through the door as requested. Peaceful enough night, but we were knackered anyway. We was in bed by 9, half 9. Yeah, literally a very brief stop. We're just about packing up and getting on to the next leg where we actually get into Scotland. By the end of today we should just be outside the Isle of Skye, ready for Sunday crossing onto the Outer Hebrides. So we're about a mile off the 6, junction 41. A little bit of noise, but nothing terrible, more the crows than anything. Obviously, going to guess it was an old toll cottage. Perfectly acceptable stopover. 5 vans, 10 quid a night, as I've said. You're on grass. There is a portaloo, there is water, there is Elson. What else do you need for a quick stopover? I have no idea on if there's anything in the area or if you can do anything from here. It was literally get as far as we could and stop. Your Elson is in there. It is some IBCs and your recycling is there. There's the portaloo, which we didn't use. And we'll pick you up in the van in a moment. Do not adjust your sets. Yes, Heather is in the driving seat. We have got about 4 hours of motorway now with pretty much no need for sat-nav. So consequently, I'm rubbish at sat-nav and following instructions. So that's why Heather always navigates.
I've written down all of the junctions.
Heather's going to drive all the motorway now until sort of a little bit of the A9. We're going to stop at Perth for fuel. Then I'm going to take over for all the twisty windy bits before we get just outside the Isle of Skye for tonight.
Yep.
See you as we get there along the journey. Whatever happens, we're stopping for lunch. We don't know ourselves. We just want to crack on. It's 5 to 8 in the morning. Here we go.
Hooray! Donald, where's your trousers?
No.
It's a bra brick.
The Scottish people will be telling you off.
No, they won't. They're just happy that we love coming back to Scotland.
Turn left onto Hunting Tower Road, then turn left.
187.9.
Now, how do we get to Fleming? Where is the fuel? What's it?
Turn left into the car park, then you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
So we started off with a full tank, and the plan is to find out how much it's cost by the time we get home. So we'll fill up when we pull up at home. First fill up, £99.51, and we did, I don't know how many miles, 341 miles for that. Expensive game, this.
Your destination is on the left.
Afternoon, the internet.
It is.
It is. We are currently in a lay-by on the A9 just outside of Pitlochry. Heather has done her stint of driving for today. Just had some lunch. I'm going to take over now, and we're going pretty much as far as the Kyle of Localsh
Yeah.
today. That'll then leave us about an hour and a half-ish to get to the ferry terminal in the morning. You may ask why we've done so much driving in a couple of days compared to normally. When we come to Scotland normally, we trundle up and stop off 2 or 3 places. We just felt that last year when we went to Mull, because we loved it on Mull so much, we felt we'd wasted 2 or 3 days getting up there.
Yeah.
So we thought, sod it, we're going to get some miles done on the Friday and the Saturday, and then we will be on the Outer Hebrides on Sunday afternoon. And that'll give us near enough 3 full weeks on the islands. So that's the plan.
Not that we didn't love where we went to last
Well, no,
year.
that's it. We love everywhere we go to, but with going on the islands and the price of the ferries and stuff, which we will go through in a upcoming video, the prices that we've paid for the ferries. And yeah, also if you're wondering, I'll fill you in later why this video came up at the beginning saying paid promotion. We got sent this dash cam from Viofo that we're using for the first time. They didn't want a review video, they just wanted, you know, a 2 or 3 minute integrated thing. Well, we don't usually do integrated videos, but we hadn't got a dash cam and we fancied one, so we said why not. So it's a bloody good dash cam. I'll tell you more about it when we get
that you've already taken off is
the
really
footage
good.
is really good. I'll tell you more about it. Literally just skate over it though, because like I say, it's not a product placement as such. But you know, we've got to do something on the channel to earn a bit of dollar, and a free dash cam that is helping. I mean, it'll help with the vlogs. Any footage that we've normally done filming out of the window as we've gone along has just been my phone stuck to a phone mount. So having 4K dash cam footage is pretty good. So I'll tell you more about that later, or you can turn off now if you think we've sold out.
Recording started.
He's off. Must have seen a break in the traffic as he pulled away, Pop. Yeah, with plenty of room.
Is that up there?
Your destination is on the left.
Right. Right. You're going to have to tell me off internet. It's Orchentire, who knows. Anyway, I don't claim to be Scottish. That's where we are tonight. 15 quid. Pay online or put the cash in there. Heather's paid online. There's not a lot to it. It is just a farm. There are some nice views, but we are purely here because it gets us where we want to be. We are about an hour and a half away from the ferry port on Skye. As you'll know, we've been travelling a fair way. We've done 500 miles since we left home yesterday. Done about 7 and a bit hours today, something like that. That's without the stops, so 7.5 hours driving or something like that. Your bays are here, it's just an air. You can't pre-book, first come first served. If there's no spaces, you're out of luck, although there's quite a lot of spaces. Drinking water and an Elson point, and it does look like there are toilets as well. I shall go and investigate. We have some French neighbours and another van pulling in. Okay, so we chose to mount the dash cam there as high up as we could get it, just really to disguise the wiring, but also making sure that the wipers swept the area that the lens covers, and that's enabled us to route the wiring behind this black and all up there so that you can't see it. It then follows all the way along down the A panel and into the fuse box in there, and I'll insert a picture of how we've wired that up. So we have hardwired this in using the kit provided. They sent 2 different ways of wiring it. You could have your standard cigarette lighter socket, or you could hardwire it so it was permanently installed in the van. And what that means is it's got a permanent live, but it's also got an ignition live, so that if there's any impact or anything while it's parked up, it trips in and records the footage. So that was a good thing to see. The one thing we did like about this is the easy way to remove it. It literally just clips off like that. So when you're in a camper van, it lets you draw the remis blinds of a night time. The power goes to this module here, which you stick to the screen, and then when you click it back on, it powers up. So to put it back on, you just literally click it back on like that, and then it'll power itself back up. And I've got it set for 10 seconds before it starts because it was annoying. It was coming on as soon as we got in the van. But there we go.
Recording started.
So saving a file on this is really, really easy. It throws them all into a date order on the memory card. You just go into it, click the file you want to save, download it, and it puts it into your folder on your device, and then you can insert it or mail it off to your insurer. Yeah, as I've just said, after doing the little walk around the air that we're on, we've done a lot of driving between us. Even you've done a fair bit today, which is nice, gives me a break. This really was just a filler video, you know, give us that. Being YouTubers, sometimes you need to throw one together to get one in the bag. Also to showcase that Viofo dash cam that we got sent. So the holiday proper starts tomorrow for us. We are going to leave here sometime in the morning, go over the bridge to Skye.
I'm sure there's a song in there somewhere.
It's over the sea to Skye, I think. But yeah, anyway, we're going to go across Skye to the ferry port at Uig. I don't know. All you Scottish people, shoot me in the comments
over the next 3 weeks.
Yeah, we're not going to claim.
How did you say this place?
I don't know, I can't even remember, but basically we're not claiming to be anybody that can pronounce things in Scotland other than Glasgow, all right?
I struggle with English, so...
Yeah, so forgive us all of the indiscretions of pronunciation, I can't even say pronunciation, over the next few weeks, but we will see you in the next video for the start of our holiday, really. This has been 500 miles of driving.
There's another song for you.
No, that's 500. Well, I don't care. Say the line. Let's go.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye bye for now.
Bye.